Eberi Papa one. Show me the way, bro.
My married friend.
Yes, bro, your married friend, bro.
He's telling me to get married.
Yes, bro.
Really?
Come on,
Baby,
bro.
don't first get married.
You are Soso. I'm not happy with you.
I'm married.
I'm married. You married?
You married to the game.
Are you married? Okay.
To the game.
No, my baby. Quite no man.
We had to bring back that very, very hilarious video because right now in the city of Warri in Delta State, one of those guys is getting married, Soberekon'S. And out there in Warri, Delta State today, he's getting married to the love of his life, and it's just a beautiful, amazing, sensational experience. So congratulations to him, and here are some of the first few clips from the event. Enjoy.
Hey! Yes! If you're ready, let me hear you say Soso! Soso! Let's go!
Yes.
Let's go!
Are we good? We're good, right?
Hold on, please. Hold on. See my people they come now.
The big Soso. Oh yeah. Let's go. Danny.
Where did you?
Go back.
Upshift the grabber to take his shot. Yes.
Crossfire, yes. Always yes. Must be Go close, go close, go close. Thank you. That way.
I know say you don't come, no.
No, the light should be on me. Okay, let's go from here.
Oil-rich in the Kuku community. You are all here. We are going to welcome. That's my Oga. I call her my madam. She's been walking around the clock right from day one till this moment. And up to this moment, she refused to sit down. And that's the person of Dr. Mrs. Esther. First of all, I said, make a hear you now. I hear everybody there. First of all, I must go here now. Soso. First of all,
yeah. Sing along, sing along, say, as you see me so, I know send them home. But that one no me say, I know they wish you well, yo. See your mama, oh.
It's called symbiosis. All right, groomsmen, I believe we are ready.
Man, follow, please.
Yes, we are ready. NOP.
Yeah?
We are ready.
The groomsmen are ready?
By the grace of God.
Good to go, the DJ is good to go.
Let's seize the movement to the stage. We still have the cake to cut. We still have a number of special performances for the purpose of serenading the couple.